Hello, everyone. All right, we're going to get started here. Um, I'm going to assume that people who are looking into this have no experience and they have really nothing going on at the moment, that they're just trying to get their business off the floor. So, one of the first things you want to do is get yourself an EIN number. If you just type in EIN in Google and go to the IRS version, get employer identification number, and then scroll down to apply for an EIN. The tool's broken at the moment, so you're not going to be able to do it, but this is where you would go through it. It'll just give you a bunch of prompts. You just answer all the questions. Maybe at some point I'll do another video when this tool's not down. But you'd want to do this, and then you'd want to get yourself a separate bank account. Don't operate your business out of your personal accounts. Commingling isn't good. If you need to transfer money out of your business into your personal because you need the money, that's totally fine. Just don't, start spending money for personal reasons on your business card or vice versa. Just keep business and personal separate. If you need money transferred out, then you need to get a QuickBooks subscription. So just go to like QuickBooks. Yeah, QuickBooks Online. Just type, click on any of these. So this brought me straight here. Plans for every stage. Simple Start, I think, is a good option for people just getting going. They have a self-employed version, but it doesn't allow you to run a balance sheet. And even as a small business owner, that's not great. So I don't really like that version. Go Simple Start. I think that's a good place to start. So we'll just do choose plan, uh, continue without payroll. Even if you do need to run payroll, which if you're just getting going, you probably don't. It's probably just you. But even if you do, don't use QuickBooks Payroll. It's not very good. I'd recommend something like Gusto or ADP. So it'll normally prompt you to sign in here. I already started doing this earlier, so it's using my email. So I'm just gonna hit continue. They're gonna ask you for all your card information, so I'm just going to move this to another screen while I type that in, so I'm not giving my card information out to strangers. Okay, so now we can see it says setting up my account. Let's get started. Legal name of the business. I'm going to operate as if I was an electrician. I mostly work with tradespeople, and so I'm going to kind of operate these videos like I was a tradesperson. I'm just going to pick a electrical company. We're going to work with a fictitious electrical Inc. Let's say we're new to this. Next. We don't need to do that. Just hit next or skip. Industry. Yeah, this is what I was looking for. Electrical contractors. Business type. Let's just say in the beginning you're a sole proprietor. Company's annual revenue. Yeah, less than $1 million is probably a safe bet. Role, owner. How many employees? We'll say just the owners for now. We'll skip this. This is going to have them try to sell you someone to help you get set up. That's what this video is for. Track the basics. Let's keep going. Invoices, profit and loss. We're not going to actually do these right now. I guess it's not going to give us a choice. All right, so we'll start with the profit and loss. Skip for now. Skip for now. Skip for now. Yeah, we're just going to skip all of these prompts. We'll just skip for now. Just skipping through all those things because I don't want to make this more confusing than it needs to be. Okay, cool. Now that that's set up, we're in here. I just want to walk through quickly. It should already have a pre-formatted chart of accounts based off the industry that we selected. And these are the accounts that we're going to be mapping things to as we go. It doesn't look like it gave us any real expense or cost of goods sold accounts, so we will work on setting that up in the next video. But we got this going. That's good for now. What we're going to want to do is set up a bank account. So we'll do like new account, account name, um, fake checking. 1, 2, 3, 4. Usually that's how I'll structure it. It's like whatever the name of the bank is, and then whether it's a checking or a savings account. If it was savings, I put savings. And then the last 4 of the bank account. Account type is going to be bank, checking, save. This way we have a bank account to operate out of. And if you have a credit card, you do the same thing. You just do new account, and you do like, let's just say you have an American Express card, Amex, credit card, account number 2345. You'd pick credit card, and you'd hit save. All right, so this is a good place to stop. I think in the next one I'll go over kind of getting a chart of accounts set up so that way we can have accounts to assign our transactions to as we go forward. But that'll do it for this one.